240 brick. All right, at the red light here in this undisclosed location, which one of these three cars do you think is gonna get the whole shot? Now bear in mind, they've just come from a car show, so everybody is revved up about driving fast. You have the BMW, the Chevy truck, or the Ram. Place your bets now, because we're about to get the green light. Oh yeah. And then hidden behind them is this Dodge. Talk amongst yourselves as we wait for the green light. All right, here we go, folks. Oh yeah, and there's a little Audi that's back there too. But I'm curious about these three at the whole shot. And surprising no one, it was the BMW. Which one of these would you pick? I'm seeing some negative camber. Is this a Volvo sleeper? It's not a sleeper if you can tell it's a sleeper. I have a feeling that thing is deceivingly fast. And he's burning a little oil. Actually. What's this? And will the Corvette do anything? What do you think of big wheels? I was never really into those. It's an undercover cop. Here comes the backup. What's this? And will the Corvette do anything? What do you think of big wheels? I was never really into those. Oh, and it's an undercover cop. Here comes the backup. We're about to hear him go bananas. Listen. And by that I mean the Lamborghini. This video sucked until this. Apparently in the state of Florida, you can't hang out the sunroof of a car. What did they do? the hell is this? Oh my God. This is a circus today. The cops basically don't know what to do with themselves. Now this gas tanker is going to roll over. Not really. I also wouldn't be surprised though. I'm in the blast zone if it does. I swear I'm not always this dark, but on a cloudy day here in Florida, that's what happens. All right, what else do we have? Nice Mustang. Stifled by the police, no doubt. Or not. Let's hear him get on the on-ramp. All right, I'm going to wrap this up here. Honda ACTY 3-cylinder pickup truck spotted in traffic. I love these things. They're imported from Japan, custom, right-hand drive. Which one of these trucks would you choose? Wow, that's a dually too. Bonus R8 Audi if you prefer that. That backfire went right through me. If you'll bear with me for just a moment, more cool cars are coming. Do you like negative camber on cars? What is going on? Beautiful vintage VW bug. You see the tires have positive camber. Not sure what year this is. If you know, put it in the comments. All right, check out this Lightning twin turbo with stacks coming straight up out of the hood. What are they?
Crooked, they're a little crooked.
Yeah, but they're beautiful. So you can imagine that this thing is easily putting out 600 or 700 horsepower at the rear wheels. What do you think? How much horsepower do you think this thing has? Dodge Viper. So if you're just joining this video now and not the previous one, this fellow in the Escalade is getting a ticket or a warning, I don't really know which, because the passenger was standing out of the sunroof while driving in traffic. Apparently that's not legal. Well, I genuinely feel bad for them, but that law probably exists for a reason. What do you think? Do you think that that should be an offense, driving a car for someone to hang out the passenger roof? Hey, Kevin did it in Home Alone, didn't he? Where's his ticket? I love this M3. I don't actually know if that's an M1, but it's definitely vintage 3 Series and fantastic. You can't see it just yet, but there's a sport bike that's been absolutely cooking. Here he is. Two really cool cars. Which one of these would you pick? I'll tell you right away, not to bias you, but I would pick the Cadillac. I love this generation, these 70s ones with the vertical column headlights. And yes, this thing has ZZ Top vibes and is very cool too. So it's the Sedan DeVille. So which one would you pick? Put it in the comments. Place your bets now if this Corvette gets on the on-ramp like an asshole. Friendly guy. What about him? That actually is an undercover cop. of those would you rather have? And a bonus car. The Equinox. Sure. Hey, what is that thing called? I think I've seen these things before. Are they new or they've been out for a while?
Yeah, they released it last year, 23 November.
What? Lamborghini Sterrato spotted in traffic. Okay, which one of these BMWs would you pick? This one seems the least interested in driving fast. I'm guessing this guy's the one that's the most into driving fast. BMW has no hood on it. I like that. Not sure if that's legal in Florida. I don't really care one way or the other. I'm just curious. That's why I wear earplugs to car shows. That was unbelievably loud. What even is that?